Yes. So we have Devika who would be giving presentations today. You may please start with your introduction and continue with your contents. Please, over to you.
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir. Good evening, everyone. I'm Devika Pavan Katakwar, and today I'll present on 5 waste materials that can directly be used in building. So the reason behind why I have taken this topic is to change our approach towards sustainability. As we all will start as fresh graduates and won't be able to do something which look like this. This is what we think of sustainability, and every time we won't be able to design this because either this won't fit into the context or our clients won't agree to this. So what do we need to do is change our approach towards it, taking baby steps towards sustainability. Till today we were in this model of economy, linear model, where we take from nature, make a product out of it, and then simply dispose it. So the result of adopting this model of economy is this: garbage, a lot of garbage everywhere. And India literally has mountains of garbage almost in every part of our country. So the solution for this is adopting circular model of economy, where instead of extracting more from nature, we focus on those heaps of garbage which we have. We either reuse them or recycle them, and then the circle goes on. A report of IPCC is Intergovernmental Portal for Climate Change, states that building industry has maximum potential to help environment recover. And luckily, you and me are part of this industry today. So why not to contribute a little? So the question is, how do we contribute to help our environment? By using recycled and eco-friendly materials for building construction? Yes, definitely yes. But then, as we always start, not every one of us will have access to industries that work with recycled materials and probably would not be able to use these materials. So today I'll introduce you to the 5 materials that can directly be used. First is plastic bottles. This is the biggest enemy to our environment. Studies show that people buy around 1.5 billion plastic bottles per day, and only 10% of it is recycled. So don't you think this is the best thing to start with? Plastic bottles can be used for making compound wall, curb wall, and many things. So uh, these plastic bottles are filled with sand or ash or gravels, and then used like normal building blocks. You can see how this woman has actually colored the backside of the bottles to make this compound wall, and this woman has made an entire house out of it. Around 5,000 of plastic bottles are used to construct 20-meter long compound wall, which is 4 feet high. So don't you think that's a huge contribution in minimizing this type of waste? The next is wood waste. This, trust me, you can get it very easily from the carpenter's shop or any furniture woodworks shop, and they might give you this even free of cost. So the things which can be made out of those wooden waste material is, you can see on the screen, this is a wall mural made up out of the blocks just picked, and then they have arranged it into a certain pattern which looks amazing. This flooring is made up of wooden planks, this interior work, and this is a partition wall made entirely out of waste wood. This is the ceiling design. Of course, we can try something else. The next is tires. Now, tires are made up of natural material, which is rubber, but then it has millions of microplastic, which never decompose. And you can see how badly it's burning with those dark fumes. So this is again one of the most biggest enemy of our environment, and people have literally done wonders out of it. See the ceiling design they have done and used entirely the waste material to bring this beautiful effect. So instead of buying those costly lighting fixtures, why not to use it? How about bringing this minion to a landscape design? This is a sink out of it. Then we have this landscape elements. This is a window frame they have made out of just tires. These are the garden steps. So why not using this if we are thinking of low cost? So many. Next is mirrors and glass. Even this you can get very easily because architects often choose to use very differently designed mirrors. So there's a lot of mirror waste in those mirror shops, which actually they wanted to get rid of. So I'm sure they'll like more than happy to gift you this. And what you can do out of this is this. This is a bathroom wall they have made. This is a wall mural out of just mirror waste, which you'll pick free of cost. This is a garden where they have actually pasted the pieces of broken mirror to form certain pattern. And don't you think the effect is amazing? And these are some interior elements. This is a garden pot. The next is concrete waste. Even this, you can get it easily from any of the demolition site. So, and what you can do out of this is this. Like instead of spending more on those curbs which are made up of cement and which will like contribute more towards carbon footprint, why not to use something which is available and which is just going waste? So this is a garden curb wall, and here they have made footsteps out of it. So this is all about it, because creativity is making marvelous out of discarded, and that's the importance of reusing and recycling. And thank you for listening.
Wow, great. You may keep your screen share on. Can we all have a huge hands raise of appreciation for Devika and her work? Everyone, can you all have a huge hands raise of appreciation for her? Sir, we would like to start with your comments. Avinash, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, was wonderful presentation. The thought is really great, and I think India has a lot of hope from people like you. I must say. I mean, this
Thank you,
may
sir.
sound a very big statement, but yes, this is something which is a much needed aspect, and more research one do and have the wider applicability, the better. Uh, the point which you are trying to convey is absolutely hitting the nail. No doubt about it. It is actually, if not done, it will create. It is a monster. It will ruin the environment. It will ruin our living and everything. Now, if at all, I have to, give a very small pointer, is that your solutions is mainly what I can call artifacts, or somebody as other creative interior aspect. Now, it has a very limited reuse of the wastage. Because all those examples that you showed, of course, were absolutely great, but they are very what I would say artist centric and the person centric, and more time centric solutions, where having the wider applicability would be very, very limited. So as you say that the bottle bottles or the plastic bottles are being used 1.5 million a day. So how many can really be used out of the 90% in this solution? So what I mean to say is, though this is absolutely not only you are facing the right direction, but you are also going in the right direction. But you please also check the wider applicability. For example, all this I think Mr. Nitin Gadkari, our
Yes.
minister, he had in the one lecture had said that this plastic can be used for the infrastructural development, particularly in Pune, they also used it as a sealant material on the roads.
Yes.
So, very honestly, I'm not very well conversant or having the deep knowledge about that. But what I mean to say is, Devika, that you can actually use those parameters for further wide application where you can, industrial application, if I may say so, where you can actually get this tons and tons and convert into something which is a very ready use for the common man. And so that is something which will be very well used, and many times people, government will also in such a cases make certain mandatory aspects, like they insisted upon using this fly ash, which is a byproduct of all atomic energies. And the wastage was so huge that it started creating problems. So they said, nothing doing, you use it for, I mean, they give the incentive like, okay, use it and your development charges will be reduced and things like that. So that is what I mean to say. But otherwise, I mean, that's a very important but minor point. And at your level, you have done a wonderful job. But just go on doing the research on these aspects and think about the wider applicability. That's all I can say. But thank you.
Yes. Thank you, sir.
Right. Thanks a lot, sir. Pranav, sir, your comments, please.
It was very wonderful presentation, very short, time limited, and to the point presentation. As Avinash sir said, for wider solutions. So one of the example is like wood waste is used to produce these particle boards, or the cork, which is wine bottle and champagne bottles cork, is used to make interior sheets or texture wallpapers. So if you compare the plastic waste blocks with the red brick, fly ash bricks, and compare similar materials on particular parameters, then you will be able to have more relevant solutions to the existing materials we used in currently used in our industry. So simply if you compare on some parameters like strength, durability, then how much time it is going to remain, their environmental impact, how much chemical they release. So you can compare on this particular aspect, and this can be a different industry altogether to manufacture all the products which can be used in construction industry out of made out of waste. So we can have a different industry altogether out of this waste.
Yes, sir.
Absolutely. And like what I can for sure say is that you have for sure opened a new line of thought for every one of us. And I'm very sure that you, we, and all of the students present over here are surely in their designs, in their choice of materials here on, for sure would take a pause always and think of some better alternatives out there which can be more of eco-friendly and reduce some of the burden on our mother earth. So thanks a lot for opening that thought process. I believe that will make a impact, right? Thanks a lot for that.